I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do.
Ew, it's like a witch's house in here, David. I'm here in Salem, Massachusetts to take you on a tour of the Hocus Pocus filming locations. If you like travel videos, eating, and ghost hunting, put that all together, that's my channel. So please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and tell your friends about me. A special thank you to my All Access Pineapple patrons. Thank you for helping to support the channel. When you are a member, you get early uploads, extra giveaways, and all sorts of little magical moments. So please consider joining today as well. Last time we were in Salem on the 330th anniversary of some of the executions at the Salem witch trials. But of course, no trip to Salem would be complete without visiting the Hocus Pocus filming locations. This is Allisons House, do y'all remember? We're gonna go to a party.
Let's go, jerk face.
Let me in. I want to bob for apples. Goodbye. Next one. By the way, this is me singing I Put a Spell on You, and the track is available for download for free just for my All Access Pineapple patrons, so go to Patreon and sign up today. Does anyone know where the next stop is? Can you imagine this being your view from your house? Thank you, Max, for that marvelous introduction. Right? Oh, this is my favorite house. I always dreamed of living in this house as a child after I saw the movie. It's absolutely beautiful. Someone is actually lucky enough to live here in real life, so if you come by, do as I'm doing. Walk past and just keep on going. Don't be creepy, y'all. God, can you imagine just looking out your window and seeing this every day? Oh, child. Goodbye. Goodbye, Max's house. Of course, this is the old town hall from the movie where they had the dance. I put a spell on you, y'all. That whole musical number, the one that makes the entire movie, that was all done in a soundstage. But when they first run into the building, this is the building they run into. Do you just love it? I know I do. Salem is such a beautiful city. I wish I had more time than just a few hours. So we're gonna go check out another spot right now. Max's High School, also known as Jacob Bailey High School, was not a real place. However, the filming location was an elementary school that happened to close down for good in 1992, making it a perfect spot to use for the exteriors of the high school. And this is what it would have looked like in 1883 when it was built. Notice the roof line, how it's missing at the very top, but the rest of the structure looks exactly the same. And at this point of the trip, I started to get hangry, so I think we need to eat some dinner after this spot, and then we'll continue our tour. Next!
Is that it? You're
What?
not getting out?
Should I?
It's up to you.
There's a sunroof here, I'm using it, and I like it.
Okay.
Thank you, sunroof. Okay, I was told this place has excellent seafood. It's called Dube's Seafood? Dubies? Dube Brothers? I don't know. Here's the menu. Prices seem reasonable. Okay, so our food just came. Let's look at it. What? Why is it so big? Huh? Look at all this. I got the fried... What did I get? The fried shrimp, the oysters, or the clams, and the scallops. Oh my god, that's so much. And Barney got the shrimp and lobster casserole. Let's just take a little bite. Let me just take the scallop, because you know I love scallops. I'm just gonna try it plain. Oh yeah, it just melts in your mouth. Oh my god. Mmm! I don't know what else to get. What's my next one? I don't know what this is. This must be a shrimp. Is this a shrimp? So meaty and delicious. Maybe I'll dip a little in the sauce. Oh, that's like the best tartar sauce ever. Try that lobster. Oh, is it good? Do you love it?
Garlicky and buttery.
So garlicky and buttery. I want to try a bite. I mean, we're married, so I get half of everything. Oh, that looks amazing. Look at that buttery lobster. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That's in like a wine sauce, like a white wine butter sauce. Oh, this is so good. I mean, this is a ton of food. Let's try the clams. Let's just take a bite of this clam. No clams, please. Nope. Okay. Everything else was delicious. I don't like the clam. It tastes very oceany. Like ocean. It tastes like when I was a kid and I used to go fishing at Balboa and they would use the bait. Oh. No, everything else was delicious. We'll just pretend there's no clams in here. So good. So we just got finished there. What did you think of it, Barney? I thought it was very good. It was very different from the last. Don't get the oysters if you don't like seafood. It's not that it wasn't fresh. It was fresh. It was delish if you like that shit. I don't like oysters apparently, or clams. But the other stuff, the scallops, magnifique. And those shrimp, to die for. Lobster, casserole, great. So, come out here. It's about maybe $90 with tip. So, very standard price for seafood out here on the East Coast. I don't know where I am. What is this place called?
Salem Pioneer Village.
We're here at the Salem Pioneer Village. I thought we could sit and watch the sunset in the harbor. Let's just take a look. Here is the Pioneer Village. This is what Salem would have looked like in 1630. can't get in, but I can put my little camera over the fence and look down. Does it look pioneering? I know it's not the easiest to see, but this is the actual village at the beginning of the film when Thackeray Binks goes to rescue his sister and he's a little too late and he gets a little too turned into a cat, if you know what I'm saying. And who knew that this was in a parking lot of a park? And because of movie magic and the ability to do matte paintings and things, they were able to seamlessly add this village into the film. And in case you're wondering, no, they did not have porta potties in the 1600s. But nice try. Our final stop on the Hocus Pocus tour takes us to the old burial hill. We're in Marblehead. Oh, I love climbing stairs. It's my favorite. This is the cemetery where Max gets his shoes stolen as he's riding his bike.
Paul! Who are you? Max. I just moved here. From where? Los Angeles. LA? Oh, dude! Tubular.
By the way, nobody ever said tubular in the 90s, so if they said they did, they're lying. It's a good thing this is our last stop of the day because this is the best view as far as I'm concerned.
Later, dude! See you, Hollywood!
Let's just go down this hill real quick. I want to show you something. In my flip-flops. Whoop! First of all, just look at this view. I feel like I'm on the set of Jaws at Universal Studios. I wanted to show you this. People were crazy back in 1692, y'all. Yes, this is just a poor innocent victim of the Salem witch trials. And they're buried here. And God, they have a great view, right? I hope you're at rest. Anyway, I hope you had a lovely time touring around Salem and the Hocus Pocus filming spots. I'm walking up a hill and I can't breathe. sweet Jesus. I can't. Well, that's gonna do it here with our tour of Salem and the Hocus Pocus filming locations. What'd you think? Did you have fun? I know I did. Oh, look, a sailboat. Can you see it out in the distance? How do I do this? Zoom. Just trust me, there's a boat out there in the ocean. It looks great. What a beautiful spot. Massachusetts is quickly becoming one of my favorite spots to visit, so I recommend coming out here and have a spooktacular time. I want to thank everyone for watching, and until I see you next time, remember, keep it paranormal. Bye-bye.